So in this video, I'm going to be stripping the inside of this bus, and I'm going to get as much as I can done. And first, I've got to start grinding away the screw heads that stripped. They are Phillips head screws, and 90% of them came out pretty decently with just using the drill, but the ones that didn't, I'm having to grind. And what I'm having to do there is I'm grinding like pretty much a slit through the screw to weaken it, and then I go back with the air hammer itself that you see me using. I'm alternating between the two. Isn't in my life. And God, is it you or the devil in my ear? And I'm pulling the windows out here. They actually came out really easy. I was expecting it to be a nightmare, but they just came right out. And right here you see me using an oscillating tool. People call it a multi-tool or whatever. It was not doing so well. It was leaving it jagged, so I just grabbed that grinder, and it seemed to do a very clean job. It didn't leave any sharp edges, and it really sped up the entire process. It gave me a system to work with. That made for a much easier day. See, I've been in love with a woman for many years who loves the road and playing shows. She doesn't have time to settle down. Says she likes me, but she ain't ready to come into my life. So right there, I'm taking out the they're like trim pieces on either side of that strip on the floor. I'm taking those out, but I'm probably going to leave that strip because it leaves the floor level to where I can deck over it. It was not nearly as nasty as I thought it would be. A lot of it was dry, but wherever those roof vents were, you could tell water has run down and into it. It was a big giant mess, and you can see where it's actually stuck to it. It's rusted, it's nasty. This is all me just by myself in one afternoon, and I feel like I got a lot done. I really do. And tomorrow's a new day, and I'll be uploading another video on that. And the more I'm going, though, I didn't want to take the paneling out of the front of the bus. I kind of like the look, but the more I'm revealing, I'm gonna have to, because it's just a health hazard at this point.